Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase Prado museum tickets online. So this is a very easy thing to do, and if you want to go and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see in the description of this video. Once you open up that link, it's going to take you to this page right here where we can get started with taking a look at the tickets. So we are going to click the check availability option. That's going to enable us to take a look at all the available dates we can purchase the tickets for. So let's say I want to purchase tickets for the 11th right here. I'm going to select the date and then select the time slot. So once we select the time slot, we are going to go and be able to take a look at all the available tickets we have. And let's say we only want one general ticket, we are going to click the next button. This is going to take us to this experience page where you can go and take a look at all the similar experiences you can save money on. If you're not interested, just click no thanks and go to the next page where we can get started filling out our personal info such as our first name, last name, phone number, and so on. Once you filled out all your necessary details, you can click the next button to go to the payment page, and it's going to open up this new payment method section where we can go and take a look at all the payment methods available to us. You're going to have Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. So select which one suits you the most. Let's say debit and credit card, and now you're going to go and fill out all your info. Once you filled out your info and click the pay button and made the purchase successfully, your tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your account on this platform. So there you have it guys, go ahead and get your tickets for yourself. You can go into the description of this video, take a look at the first link and get started with opening up the tickets page and following the instructions from this video to get your tickets now. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.